Ella James. Ella James. Ella James. Ella.
Let's go see.
Yes, it's really came.
Oh.
A dirt bike. And a bike. A bike. Then look what she's doing. A bike and a dirt bike.
What?
Dirt bike's for me. Okay, oh, this cookie. And only a speck.
Maybe for a Christmas mouse.
Left the crumb?
Yeah.
He must have been hungry.
Ethan, what do you see?
A dirt bike. And there's my own bike. Lightning McQueen.
Okay, oh, gentle with it. Gentle. It's on a...
Dad, I have an old bike with a kickstand.
You have a kickstand?
Yeah, on my bike.
Ella, look at mommy.
Open our present. Oh, come and see Woody in our stocking. And it was Lightyear.
What?
See a Woody and a Buzz Lightyear. Oh, my stocking. I don't know my Buzz Lightyear. And I get
Oh,
Woody.
no touch, no touch. You do presents first.
I want to
Here, sweet, let me get your picture. We're going for the tree, you guys.
do this is mine.
Does it rattle?
No,
Any noises?
there's not any noises. You can't see it. There's one thing. Oh my gosh, Ethan.
What is it?
What is it?
A thingy. It's cool. Oh, new cars.
Whoa!
It's a car transporter.
Whoa! Oh my gosh. We're gonna love look, Ella. Oh, that's all the race cars.
Oh
You
boy.
needed something to transport all your cars.
Yeah, because this is a transporter.
That's your special Santa gift.
Can we open
You
this?
have to wait for that one.
Can we open this, Dad?
Yeah, we're gonna open it.
I want to open this one next.
Okay, open it up.